We've been taking shrooms almost every single day.
Shrooms, are they making you more enlightened, Robyn?
Just kidding, they're not those kind of shrooms.
I'm a girl of the age of Aquarius, graduated from high school in 1970, and they're not those kind of shrooms. We're good little Christian girls, but we are taking a mushroom supplement almost every day. I'm going to tell you why we're taking it and what it is and how it can enhance your health.
Hi, Robyn and Danna here with Lean Healthy Ages and the co-authors of the Eat, Live, Thrive Diet book.
So the healthy, legal shrooms that we're taking is this product called Master Blend. It has 10 different mushrooms plus
3 adaptogenic herbal extracts.
We're just going to highlight a couple of the benefits of a few of the mushrooms that are included in One you've probably been hearing a lot of buzz about is lion's mane.
Lion's mane is great for brain focus.
Who doesn't need that at our age?
Memory, concentration, it really can help with that.
Another one you've probably heard of, Reishe mushrooms, is considered adaptogenic, and it is really, really good for stress and body balance.
Chaga is another mushroom in the blend. It's been known for anti-inflammatory effects, and it's really high in antioxidants.
And all of the 10 are very, very helpful in boosting up your immune system. You can get the benefits of all these 10 mushrooms with 1 scoop a day.
Plus, you get the 3 adaptogens. You get holy basil, ginkgo biloba, and astragalus. I've been putting a scoop in my espresso every morning, and it stirs up and blends in really well, and I don't really notice any difference in the taste.
And I add mine to my smoothie, same thing, I haven't noticed the taste at all. If you want to know more about the mushroom blend that we're carrying on our store, just click the link provided.
And if you like this video, please give us a like, and also remember to subscribe so that you don't miss any of our new posts.